Hi Sam. I'm really excited for today's lesson. We're going to learn the word
mehrere,
mehrere.
What does that mean?
Great question.
mehrere,
Means several or multiple in English. It's used to indicate an unspecified number of things or people. The most common usage is to refer to more than two but not a specific large quantity.
That sounds useful. Are there any tricky parts about it?
Yes, actually. Be careful not to confuse it with the English word mere. They sound similar, but they have completely different meanings.
mehrere,
Implies a quantity, while mere means just or only. Now let's talk about grammar.
mehrere,
Is an adjective, and it doesn't have a specific gender since it refers to more than one thing. You can use it with both masculine and feminine nouns. For example, you could say,
mehrere Bücher,
for several books and,
mehrere Stühle,
for several chairs.
So there's no plural form since it already means multiple.
Exactly. It's already indicating plurality. In a sentence, you might say,
Ich habe mehrere Freunde.
which means I have several friends. In the past tense, you could say,
Ich hatte mehrere Freunde.
meaning I had several friends.
And what about the perfect tense?
Good question. You could say,
Ich habe mehrere Freunde gehabt.
which translates to, I have had several friends. There's no imperative form for,
mehrere,
since it's not a verb. Now, let's dive into the word's history.
mehrere,
Comes from the Old High German word,
MRI,
which means more. It has evolved over the centuries to refer specifically to multiple items or people.
That's fascinating. So it's been around for a long time.
Yes, it shows how language evolves but still maintains its core meaning. Let's break down.
mehrere,
It consists of the root,
mehr,
which means more, and the suffix,
Ehre,
which is used to form adjectives indicating comparative forms. So, you can think of it as a way to express more than one.
That makes sense.
Now, let's look at similar words. For the prefix,
mehr,
we have,
Mehrwert,
meaning added value, and,
Mehrheit,
meaning majority. Both share the idea of more.
And for the suffix,
Ehre.
Sure. We can find,
höhere,
which means higher, and,
bessere.
Meaning better. They all share that comparative sense.
What about compound words?
Well, let's try some examples with the same compound pattern. You might hear
Mehrfamilienhaus.
which means multifamily house, where
Haus.
is the last noun, and that's why the word is neuter.
That's interesting.
Now let's practice speaking. Imagine you're at a store and you want to ask for several items. You could say,
Ich hätte gerne mehrere Äpfel.
which means I would like several apples.
Ich hätte gerne mehrere Äpfel.
Perfect. Another situation could be at a meeting. You could say,
Wir brauchen mehrere Ideen.
meaning we need several ideas.
I'll try.
Wir brauchen mehrere Ideen.
Great job. One last situation, if you're at a party, you might say,
Ich habe mehrere Freunde hier.
which means I have several friends here.
Ich habe mehrere Freunde hier.
Now, let's talk about memory hints. Since
Mehrere.
is an adjective, there's no specific ending pattern, but you can remember it by associating it with the word more. Imagine a big pile of multiple things.
That's a good visual.
For usage notes,
Mehrere.
is quite neutral and can be used in both formal and informal settings. Some collocations include
Mehrere Optionen.
for several options,
Mehrere Probleme.
for several problems, and
Mehrere Möglichkeiten.
meaning several possibilities.
And any similar sounding words.
Yes, watch out for,
Mehr.
which just means more, and
Merkwürdig.
which means strange. Let's look at some example sentences. You might say,
Ich habe mehrere Bücher gelesen.
which means I have read several books.
That's a good one.
Another could be,
Wir haben mehrere Fragen.
meaning we have several questions. And how about,
Mehrere Leute sind gekommen.
which translates to several people have come.
I like these examples.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Mehrere.
mean?
It means several or multiple.
Correct. Can you give me an example sentence using
Mehrere.
Ich habe mehrere Freunde.
perfect? What's the past tense of a sentence using this word?
I think it would be.
Ich hatte mehrere Freunde.
That's right. What's the German for several problems?
Mehrere Probleme.
Great. What's the gender of nouns that go with
Mehrere.
It can be used with masculine and feminine nouns, right?
exactly? And lastly, can you tell me one similar word?
Mehrheit.
Means majority.
Well done, Sam. To wrap up, today we learned about
Mehrere.
its meanings, usage, and examples. Remember, it's a versatile word that helps express quantity. Keep practicing, and you'll get it.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident using it now.